MTD CNC have had the privilege today to come to Tamworth, to the home of Brown and Holmes, and we're in their final assembly department here, and there's two fixtures in particular that have really caught my eye. I've got the pleasure to be joined by Kevin Ward, Managing Director of Brown and Holmes. Welcome, Kevin, or thank you for having us. Yeah. Kevin, these two fixtures behind you are extremely impressive. Can you tell our audience what they are?
Yeah, it's a pretty large project we're doing for a company out in Sweden. We're supplying 16 hydraulic fixtures, fairly complex fixtures, and you can see behind me one of the fixtures, a temporary power pack to run the fixtures off and trial here. But also you've got a machine pallet, which is actually off a DMG, forgive me if I'm wrong DMG, but an MTC 125 machine I think it is, which normally a vertical lathe. But we've taken the standard machine pallet and we've incorporated 0-point location pots into that. So we've machined the pallets and jig board to locate these pots in very accurately, and they will clamp and locate all the fixtures, and which will give quick and very accurate changeover.
And this really interests me really. So effectively you've taken the machine bed off, or pallet,
yes,
and you're replacing it with a 0-point pallet. So what are the benefits in this apart from just the changeover? Does it obviously get increasing the envelope within the machine?
Basically, I mean, the weights are constrained, so basically put on a locating device on top of a pallet. It constrains the weight of the fixturing and the components when it all adds up. But yeah, we've just taken the standard pallet off the machine and we've adapted it to, I say, give this easy and very accurate changeover system.
So the actual fixture behind you will fit onto the 0-point, and obviously there'll be many different fixtures with the same configuration that will just go straight on and repeat within microns.
Yes.
But effectively, this kind of solution could be incorporated to any machine tool, could it, from Brown and Holmes?
It's not just DMG machines. We have experience of doing it to many other manufacturers' machines, and yeah, we can offer that facility, and yeah, it's a very good solution.
I mean, 0-point now is something that seems to be very popular. You can automate setups with it as well.
Yes, yeah, it's a very good system, and yeah, we've become very reliant on it, as obviously it's nice to offer our customers. The speed and the accuracy of the changeover gives that level of flexibility within any organisation, which is superb to offer.